Good morning. Today, dito ako ngayon sa PhilOil Eco Oil Center dito sa may San Juan para sa graduation ni Dana Isabela Abalos na aking panganay. Ayan, tignan niyo yung atin. Ayan, dito ginanap yung graduation ng JRU. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Dito na tayo sa loob.
College of Computer Studies and Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
Marking over a century of academic excellence and commitment to shaping bright futures. As we come together, we bear witness to the denouement of another successful academic year, filled with achievements and cherished memories. Today, we extend a warm welcome to the 100th commencement exercises of the College Division of the Sarasota University.
headed by Dr. Miguel M. Carpio,
Vice President for Academic Affairs, to our University President, Dr. Vicente K. Fabella. The University President, Dr. Vicente K. Fabella, will confer the degrees.
Candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, please stand. Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the faculty, I have the honor to present candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration who have honorably fulfilled all the requirements prescribed therefor.
Upon the recommendation of the faculty, and by virtue of the authority vested in me, I confer upon you the degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations.
Graduates, please move your tassels to the left. Now, congratulations.
Maria Dana Isabela Avalos, cum laude. Jeremy Lagii Abanier. John Mark Avalos Abawag. Nancy Marie Federigan Abina. Philip Luis Navarro Acuña.
As you embark on your journey beyond JRU, remember that your education is a torch passed on by those who came before you. Now, it's your turn to shine and make a difference in this world. Your time at JRU has equipped you not only with knowledge, but also with the power to make meaningful contributions. Each of you possesses the potential to be a hero in your own right. Seize every opportunity to make a positive impact, uphold integrity, and inspire others around you. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, we encourage you to pay forward the wisdom, kindness, and support you've received. Unleash your inner heroes to the world. Lead with compassion, innovate with courage, and strive for excellence in all your endeavors. The Jose Rizal University Alumni Association is proud of your achievements and excited to witness the great things you will be accomplishing in your next explorations. Remember, once a heavy bomber, always a heavy bomber. So Jose Rizal to all of you, and congratulations to all of the graduates of Batch 2024. As Assistant Secretary of the JRUAA, let me welcome you to the fold. Together, we shall join hands in cooperation and brotherhood and assist one another in our future. Repeat after me. I, having been conferred by Jose Rizal University a degree with its appertaining privileges and obligations, do hereby solemnly declare my loyalty to the university. I will strive to uphold as a sacred trust its good name, values, and traditions. I will perform my duties as an alumnus of Jose Rizal University. With honor and dignity. I will dedicate myself to the ideals of service to my country, to my people, and my alma mater. I will do my best to pass on to my fellow men the benefits and the blessings of the education and the talents of service that I have learned from Jose Rizal University.